All right, so we're doing the first drive in the giveaway GT500. Go to enter at what is up, fam? Hope this message finds you all well and good spirits. Well, it's been a while. Happy 2020. We're back. We have some crazy content coming, but the first of that crazy content is here. We are headed to New York City to Patrol Works to pick up a brand new 2020 Shelby GT500. And here is the greatest news of all. It's not for Patrol Works, it's not for me, it's for you. Stay tuned, let's go pick it up and see what I'm talking about. And yes, I did take off the beard. Wifey said she had enough of the mountain man nonsense, so that's off. So new year, new me. Also stay tuned, we're eating healthy, eating right. It's time to make the best time of our life in 2020. So anyways, we're taking the College Mustang over to my boy Mario's house. He has a Kia, we're driving the Kia up. The reason we're not driving the College Mustang up is because she's a little worse for the wear still. We had to get some things squared away. Let me show you what we're doing here. We just ordered a new convertible top because it's winter time and this black duct tape isn't sufficient enough. We have some other stuff coming. We'll drop it off at Casper's, but let's go get our 2020 Shelby GT500. Let's go. This looks so good. We are in. Oh, no. Okay. I'm gonna start recording now. Calm before the storm. We are here at Patrol Works in New York. That's right, my buddy Mo has the GT500 detailed outside. We're gonna go check it out and show you guys the all-new giveaway 2020 Shelby GT500. And yes, what does that mean by giveaway? And I'll explain it to you before we even get to the car. If you go to our website, mamamerch.com, or one of the same website, GT500giveaway.com. It's crazy. The GT500 is being upmarked $50,000, $100,000 in some places. We're getting a chance to give you one. There she is, Miss 2020 GT500 in this epic Oxford white looking mean. Splitter's not on yet because it's New York City and yeah, but there she is, guys, the all new 2020 Shelby GT500 giveaway Mustang white. Whew. No stripes, but as you can see here, fully detailed. And we'll start her up, show her off. You know what's cool about these cars is obviously they have the 7-speed dual clutch and the 760 horsepower, but we can do this to warm it up. So what you have here is remote start, so we can warm ourselves up. You can see here. Whoa, it is cold. So there's Mo there. He's gonna move it so we have some room to start her up. But there she is. This is gonna be one of your cars. This only has 100 miles on it. We're gonna have a chance to, forgive me for like my freezing voice. It is cold in here. Yeah, it's 28 degrees and pretty cold, so. But let's turn the heat on, let's chill. We are in a 2020 GT500, which is amazing. So yep, we're gonna pop the hood here and see how she looks. But that is mean. That is mean. Oh my goodness. What's cool about this is you just push these down in, and you push these down in, and you could be popping this yourself. And look what we have here. Hold on one second. We have no more prop rod. We have a hydraulic strut holding everything up. Here's your rain tray here, obviously. And this is it. This is the 2020 GT500 5.2 liter with the Eaton blower on top, hand-built with pride at the Romeo engine plant. And she's sounding good. She's sounding good and healthy. It's kind of crazy. I hope I don't get too connected to this car while I have it, while we do content with it. Because yes, if you guys, I'll keep repeating myself, this is not my car. This is not Patrol Works car. This is one of your car. All you got to do is enter to win it. Kind of unbelievable how things work out, but and it's also crazy. Mine is taking forever to come, but we're gonna have an opportunity with this guy, so we're gonna have some fun. You can see those huge brakes, and you get all this goodness. How's it feeling there, bro? Very nice car. So it has a nice idle to it. So I don't want this to be a complete total, like, you know, ad for the car. We're gonna have some fun with it. We're not gonna just like say, hey, if you want this. But what I want to tell you is that this is something that's ginormously big, you know, to have a car like a Mustang and now have the Halo car, the 2020 GT500, and an opportunity to give you guys and a chance to own this and win this is something I'm really excited to offer and to be a part of. And I try to have some integrity and respect. And I think this is gonna it's paying off because we're able to present something like this to you, which is this car. So I'm gonna get back inside because I'm freezing. Let's warm it up a little bit more, and then we'll get some revs, and we'll go from there. But we're gonna give you guys a rev here. Sounds pretty good to me. All right, so we're doing the first drive in the giveaway GT500. Go to enter at merch.com or GT500giveaway.com. The only way to enter a chance to win this car, very simply, every $10 you spend on mambamerch.com gets you an entry to win this car. Crazy. So that was Mo. He gave me a nice road so we can show you guys some nice exterior shots of the car. What I'm gonna do is, listen, my buddy here, follow him on Instagram. Poor guy, it's 28 degrees. I'm gonna ask him to get out and show me driving the car as we go by. What are you talking about? And show you some nice exterior shots of the giveaway GT500. So let's do what we gotta do. All right. This is gonna be so exciting. I'm driving one of your cars. This is what's cool about it and exciting about it is that, yes, we are driving a 2020 Shelby GT500 that I'll have a chance to give one of you guys the keys to. So stay tuned for that. We're gonna have some fun coming up. This is gonna be your car. This is crazy. Just think about that. I'm driving one of your 2020 Shelby GT500. And remember to get this, mamamerch.com, GT500giveaway.com. Let's go. Hope you hear that. Link down below. Let's see how she does.
This is where you take off like at 90 go.
No, it don't have the tires for it, but.
America.
It's gonna be your car. This is crazy. Just think about that. I'm driving one of your 2020 Shelby GT500.
You take off like at 90 go.
No,
Okay. Try. Fast forward.
Stops on a dime, dude. Let me turn around and come back.
It's gorgeous too.
Hope you're not cold. gonna be your car. This is gonna be one of your cars.
They're gonna be pissed when I get into the entry and like win it. I'm serious.
Oh, get in. Let's go to the dyno.
All right, I'm freezing. Woo.
Oh, this car is good.
So how do they win a chance to get in?
Yeah, I was telling the people that all they got to do is very simple. Spend $10 on the website, and that's your first entry to get in. Of course, the more you enter, the more merch you buy, the more opportunity you have a chance to win this Shelby GT500, which is like bananas.
Tell them the website again.
The website is one of the same, mambamerch.com, which is our channel website, or you can go to GT500giveaway.com, which links to the same exact website, and you'll have all the instructions there, how to enter, how to win. We have so much more content coming. This is crazy. It's happening. I'm back, and I'm giving away a 2020 Shelby GT500 because you guys know it never ends. Peace. Peace out.
Peace.